So even before vowel letters which don't have vowel sound, see for example a European, a unit, a union. E is a vowel, but still we have used the article a in front of a vowel. Why? Because when we pronounce European, it sounds as Y. It sounds as Y, the consonant sound. That's the reason we use the article a before European. Unit. Again, when I pronounce unit, it sounds as Y. So we use the article a. Union. It sounds as Y. So we use the article a. Some words start with a vowel letter but begin with a consonant sound. We use a before these words too. For example, a university. See, U is a vowel, but we have used the article a because university sounds as Y. A uniform, a 1 rupee note, a one when I say, it sounds as O is silent over here, one. It sounds as V. So it's a consonant be used. We use a before words that begin with a consonant that we have already seen. A girl, G is a consonant sound. A clock, again C is a consonant. A lamp, L is a consonant. Now an is used when before a word beginning with a vowel, an idiot, an apple. So whenever we have the vowels A, E, I, O, U, we use the article an before such nouns. Before a word beginning with H but not sounded. For example, see, H is a consonant but still we use the article an. Why? It sounded like O. And honor. See, honor, we use H in front of the beginning with the letter H. But when I pronounce honor, I use the vowel sounds O. And R, again, sounds. H is silent. An honest man, O. So again, the sounds like O. So that's the reason we use the article an in front of the consonant sound. So children, the main thing what you have to remember is you have to read the particular word and try to pronounce it. Then only you will be able to find out what sound it is. And with the sound you can use whether we have to use a or an. We use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. I explained you again. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. An orange, an umbrella, an I. So these are vowels, so we use the word an. Now when is the used? Before unique objects. Now what do you mean by unique? Now what do you mean by unique objects? For example, the sun, the sky, the moon. So these are the unique objects. We don't have too many sun. One sun, isn't it? Let's say the sky. We talk about the moon. Before the names of mountains, rivers, ocean, deserts, etc. For example, the Ganges, the Sahara Desert, then the ocean, the Pacific Ocean. So you have to keep in mind, we use the article before unique objects, before the names of mountains, rivers, ocean, deserts, and before the names of books. For example, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran. So these are names of holy books. So we use the word, the article, the. Before the superlative degree, when I talk that she is the best dancer. So that is the superlative form, best, good, better, best. We have already seen in the previous chapter, comparison of adjective. In there we talked about positive, comparative and superlative. That is the highest degree. So when we talk the best, the tallest, the shortest, the most beautiful. So when it is superlative degree, we use the article the. And also before musical instruments. For example, the flute, the violin, the guitar. Before an adjective to denote a whole class, when we are talking about the whole class, the old people, the old class, the middle class, the rich, the poor, when we have to show, denote a whole class. We use the when we know that there is only one of a particular thing, that there is only one, the sky, the world, the North Pole. So I hope you know now when to use the article the. Now, when do we not require article, where we don't use? Omission means not required. Keep in mind, first, before the names of relations, when we are talking about relation, father, uncle, sister, brother, anyone, we never use article. A father, a mother, the father. No, we don't use article. Before the names of material like gold, silver, diamond. Before proper noun like, for example, lotus, we don't say the lotus is our national flower. We say directly lotus is our national flower. Chennai, Priya. The Priya is my best friend. No, Priya is my best friend. Fourth one. Before abstract noun, honesty, wisdom, truth. Okay. Fifth, before language, whatever languages we speak. So you have to keep the 6 points in your mind, that we never use articles before these words. Tamil, Hindi, English, and before certain phrases, at noon, by train, on foot. So I hope you all have understood by now this chapter. So what you have to do is, I am going to send you the PDF along with this video. You have to write it down in your textbook and try to understand. If you have any doubt, just ask me when I schedule the meeting. Till then, bye. Take care.